Today I'll be coding the rock paper scissors game in Python. It is a simple game. It is player against the computer. So we will be using the random module to get a random choice of a paper scissors or rock from the computer. So first we will define a function rock paper scissors. Then we can print a welcome message to just to make look the game a bit better. You can skip it if you don't want to, right? It's like not compulsory. Then we can start writing the choices we will be having, that is the rock, paper and scissors. We will be writing in short like R, P and S. R for rock, P for paper and S for scissors. Now we will write a while loop to play the game. So we will take an input from the player and we will be writing it as enter your choice, and we will ask the user to enter the choice, and we will mention it like enter R for rock, P for paper and S for scissors. And then we will use the dot lower function. In case the user enters it in capital, it will automatically convert it to the lower, like a small r, small p or small s. Then we will be writing if player not in choice. Suppose if the player enters an alphabet which is not r, p or s, in that case we will be printing invalid choice, please enter again. With and we will mention it again as it should be r, p or s to play this game. Next we will be we have to take the computer input also. So yes, so we will be taking the computer input as there will be this is the computer's choice, and it will be as from the random module. So random dot choice, we'll be using the choice function of the random module to randomly pick a choice from the choices, that is either it will be R, P or S. Then we will be printing what did we will be using an F string to show what the player chose and what the computer chose. Like it will display the if the player has chosen paper and the computer has chosen scissors. So to display this we are writing this. Then we'll compare it. Now if the player choice is equal to the computer choice, like both have chosen paper, then it is a tie. Now next comes the most important part, that is when the choices are different. Okay, now we'll be coding for if the player is winning. So suppose the player chose R and the computer chose S, means scissors, or the player is choosing paper and the computer is choosing R, or the third choice will be the player choosing scissors and the computer choosing the paper. So in all of these cases the player wins. So we will print a winning message for the player. So we'll write congratulations, you won. And the last part will be the else, means if all the cases are not true, then obviously the player has lost. So we will write the else statement as print oops, you lost. And then again we last part of the game is we can loop the game whether we want to play it again or not. So for that we will write it an input statement like do you want to play we will write this as play again equals to input, do you want to play the game again, it's y or n. So it's y or n and dot lower. If it is in capitals also we can change it to the lower y because we need the lower y. If the play again is not equals to y, then we will break out of the loop. Like if it is anything, means we don't want to continue. Apart from the yes, we don't want to continue. Now I think there is a small issue. Okay, I forgot the semicolon after small y. Okay. Now it's okay. Now we'll be calling the function and check for the outputs. So it says enter your choice. Okay, we will choose P, paper. Just choose fine, we win. Again, yes, I want to play scissors. We won. Yes, I want to play again. Oh, this time it's a tie. Oh no, I don't want to play. Okay, so the code is working.